Welcome to this quick tutorial on spine stretch forward, one of my favorite Pilates exercises for total spinal health. I'm Hannah Ray from Clarity Pilates, and we're going to start with a basic overview of do's and don'ts for this exercise. So the first mistake I see beginners see is they stretch their legs out really wide into a straddle. For this exercise, you actually want to be a little bit narrower, about the width of your Pilates mat, or if you don't have a mat, just a little wider than hip width. Arms reach forward and you really lift your posture up first. And if that's tricky for you, you can sit up on a cushion pillow blanket. You're also welcome to bend the knees. Taking a big breath in, you're gonna sit nice and tall. Exhale, dip the chin and scoop the abdominals in as you round down and forward. So I'm not reaching past my toes, trying to get a hamstring stretch. I'm really focusing on finding a scoop up and over. So you can see here I'm showing what not to do, a little exaggerated. We want to make almost a circle shape or like a nautilus shell with the spine, curling the nose down and into the belly button. A cue my teachers used a lot here was top of the head between the knees. Now, once you're familiar with this idea, I actually often start to see people take it in the opposite direction. So we curl too much and we start to push our spine out and back and really hunch our shoulders. And you can see it doesn't look good and it doesn't feel good. So you want to really think that you're maybe Velcroed to a wall. And when you dip your chin, you're rounding forward as if you were peeling off the wall behind you. So you can see I'm only moving forward, spine stretch forward, right? The name of the exercise. I'm not pressing my spine back and down to get my curved shape. This technique, rounding with the abs engaged, allows us to get more space between the vertebrae for a beautiful stretch. Thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial. I hope it answered some of your questions. If you've got more, leave them for me in the comments down below or ask me in one of our live classes. I've linked that up in the description as well. If you want to see more tutorials and free videos like this one, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on the mat.